Best softwares for billing and invoicing. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a few softwares that you can use for billing and invoicing with free documentation, free invoices, and you don't have to pay for any of these softwares. You can get all of their invoices, revenues, customer details, customer purchases for free on these softwares. Now, first off, I'm going to give you guys a run through of these softwares, the basic pricing, and then I'm going to move on to the actual platform and what they look like. So first off, starting with WaveApps. WaveApps starts at free, and you can see there is no setup fee, no hidden charges, and no monthly fee. You get unlimited income and expense tracking. You get to track sales and track tax on income and expenses. You can add unlimited partners, collaborators, or accountants. You can add fully functional double entry systems. You can also have powerful reports on overdue invoices and bills. You have unlimited bank and credit card connections. You can easily organize income expenses into your tax categories, and you can run multiple businesses in one account. Now, you might be wondering, how is WaveApps free? Well, there is no trick. Their software is 100% free. There is no limitation, and you can use it for how long and how much you want. So there's nothing that you're going to be charged to use the application. So how does WaveApps actually make money? Well, WaveApps makes money from financial services that make running your business faster. So they offer payroll services in Canada and the US for super affordable prices, and they allow businesses to accept payments online so their invoices can get received faster. And for those kinds of services, they charge a competitive 2.9% plus a $30 fee to process most credit cards. And this is how they actually make their money. Their actual accounting software is totally free. Now, moving on to number 2, we have ZipBooks, and ZipBooks is very similar to Wave Accounting. Now, ZipBooks actually has 4 basic programs. First off, on the free version, you can send unlimited invoices, you can manage unlimited vendors and customers, you can accept digital payments, view basic reports, and connect one bank account. Now, on their smarter version, which starts at $15 per month, you can schedule recurring invoices with auto billing. You can automate reminders, save invoice line items. You can connect multiple bank accounts, receive account information, track time, and add 5 team members. So ZipBooks is sometimes a bit more pricier than Wave Accounting because for some of their features like adding team members, you are not able to add team members on their free version, and that might be an issue for some people. Now, on their sophisticated version, you can see over here it starts at $35 per month, where you can have complete access to locked books. You can have shared documents. You can generate insightful reports, and you can also invite unlimited users to your team. So if you're ever looking to upgrade on ZipBooks, I would definitely suggest that you move on to the higher paid version of the $35 per month version, because you're going to be able to add unlimited users, and that is a great option that you will definitely have to opt for. And then if you're an accountant, then according to your needs, you can definitely negotiate with ZipBooks and create your account and negotiate a deal with them for the features that you need. Now, next up on our list, we have Accounting. Now, Accounting is absolutely free, and it is a open source software. So when we talk about financials, you must be sure that your data is safe. And with this open source software, your data is absolutely safe. There is full privacy, and you don't have to worry about any of your stuff being leaked out. And it is very feature dense with cash flows, expense tracking, easy invoicing, and transaction categories as well. So let's get started on WaveApps first, and let's sign up to create our account. So all you need to do is you can add your email and password, or you can sign up with Google. Now, you can see over here, I have created my new account on WaveApps, and first off, you have your professional invoicing, then you have your bookkeeping, and then you have a reliable payroll. So first off, it's very easy to create a invoice, so you can just click on professional invoicing, and then you can add customer, accept different payments, and create estimates. Now, you can even choose a different starting point if these are not the 4 basic features that you want to start off with. Usually, I find that just clicking on create invoices is probably the safest and easiest ways to get started with the platform. So first off, you can just choose a template that you want to go with. So if you already have some design in mind, then you can do that, and you can change the color that you want for your template, the accent color, and then you can drop your logo here as well if you have a brand logo, but I don't, so I'm just going to click on over here, and now I'm going to start working on the template. So first off, you're just going to click on add customer over here, and you can create a new customer directly from here. So you're just going to add their name. So let's just say we're going to write wood provider. And I'm just going to save this over here. Now after that, I am going to add the invoice number. So you can add any number you want. You can add the PO or SO number. Then you're going to have the invoice date and the payment due, and then you can add your items. So you can edit columns over here as well. And to add items, you're just going to click on add an item over here. Then you can add your cleaning service. I've added this as an item, and then you can add another item after that. You can create new items directly from here. So let's say tax service, not tax service, but let's just say cutting service like this. And after that, you can increase the quantity. You can add prices as well. So I'm just going to add this as 53, and then you have your subtotal and your total amount. So after you have added all of your items, you can change the currency to a currency that you actually want to bill your invoice in, and you can find all different kinds of currencies over here. You can go anywhere from Moroccan currencies to European currencies, New Zealand dollars, anything that you want to use as your metric. And once you have done that, you're going to require a customer to agree to the terms of service before paying with credit card if you want to do that, because some people do find issues with credit card payments, or you can turn it off as well. And then you're just going to save and continue. And now you have your invoice ready. It sounds great. And once you do that, you can just approve your draft. So you save it as a draft, then you approve your draft, and then you can just click on send invoice. And you're going to just add the email of your customer. This is my email. And then after that, you're going to add your recipient's email. And this invoice is going to be sent to them. So you can see over here how this is a very nice, professional looking invoice without any excess details, no excessive branding whatsoever. And still it does its job. So that is the WaveApps platform. It's very easy to navigate. And you can see over here that on your WaveApps platform, you have a separate category for sales, for purchases. So over here you have a separate category for accounting, sales, purchases, banking, payroll, reports, Wave advisors, tax filing, and all that. So after that, you can see in your accounting section, you have your reconciliation, your transactions, and your chart of accounts. So not only can you do your invoicing over here, but you can keep all of your books on Wave Accounting as well. Now, moving on to our next platform, which is ZipBooks. It's just as easy to get started. All you need to do is click on sign up over here, and then you're going to choose a plan that you want to go with. So you're just going to click on sign up now. Now you can use your Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn account to create your account on ZipBooks, or you can add your company name and email to create your account. So I'm just going to continue with my Facebook account. Now you can see over here I have logged into ZipBooks, and it is a very easy to use platform as well. Another great feature about ZipBooks is that it provides you with time tracking as well. So you can just turn this on and see how long it takes for you to work on a customer's project as well. And then you can turn it off once you are done. Now on your ZipBooks platform, on the left you have your invoices, transactions, reports, contacts, tracking, and payroll. And then you can see your invoices, transactions, reports on the top as well. And in your more section, you have your account settings, you have your tracking details, you have all of your report details and invoices as well. So to create an invoice, you can just click on invoices over here, and then you can start invoicing like this. And now you can see all you need to do is bill to your customer. So you're going to add your customer name. So let's just say it's Jane, and we're going to add that. And we're just going to save it as an empty contact for now. Now you can add a title for your invoice. So let's just say cleaning invoice, and then we can add different tasks over here. So with titles and descriptions. So let's just say sofa cleaning, and we're going to add a rate. So $10. Let's just say 5 hours. And then we can do dishes, and the rate is $7, and we can do like 2 hours of this. And then you can see it has calculated the totals, the subtotals, and any kind of discount you want to provide, you can do that as well. You can even add detailed notes in your invoices. Once you have done that, you can just save this. And then once you have saved your basic invoice, you can finalize for sending, finalize and send. And you can even finalize without sending. So if you haven't added any emails yet, you can just finalize invoices, save them, and send them in bulk. So after that, we have accounting, and the accounting platform is very much a combination of ZipBooks and Wave pricing. So it's very easy to set up, and it's basically the same procedure as the both I have showed you already. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to set up your account on these platforms and start invoicing. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.